if you have a business on TikTok and you're not getting enough sales, just give me about 3 minutes. Let's see how best we can improve that. Okay. And so most of you are getting it wrong. And I receive a lot of DMs. How do I improve my sales? How can I scale my business? I've been posting for the past 1 month, 2 months, and I'm not getting any sales. And the reason why most people post a lot and for some reason do not get sales is because they are doing it wrong. And so, how do we fix that? Most people, first of all, will just create a content and just drop it on TikTok with the expectation or the hope that the customers will just DM them and just place their order. It's a lot of chaos, and most customers will just reach out to ask for the price, just do some quick inquiries, and then they'll just dip off. They are not coming back again. Not because it was intentional, but for some reason they have life struggles that will just erase your business or your product from their mind. And so, how do we fix it? The moment you decide to be a business owner online and start posting content about your product, your services, you need to be very intentional. You need to have a sales strategy or pipeline or process where if I'm posting, this is what will happen first when I drop the video, this is what will happen next when I get the lead, this is what will happen next and next and next. And then finally, this is how they'll become a customer. And so if you don't have that process outlined, you'll be confused. You'll just be dropping videos, and there's no way you'll be able to maximize your sales. And so this would be my suggestion. Only if you want to practice or try these things out. Then number one, I'll tell you this. When you drop the video, before you even do that, the question should be if somebody comments on my video or send me a DM, I want to keep track of this specific person or I want to take them out from TikTok. Meaning, I want to gather all the data from my TikTok so that even if I lose access to my TikTok account, I still have access to those customers or those leads, potential customers. Okay. And so you can create a Google form or just reach out to me and I'll help you set it up. Okay, I'll help you set that up. You can create a form and have the link in your bio. Have the form link in your bio. The form will just take their first name, last name, WhatsApp number. Okay. And then when you have the link in your bio, you drop the video. So as soon as you drop the video, assuming it's a hair product, it's a footwear, it's a service-based product, they have to do inquiry or they have to ask DM you for the price. Soon as somebody drops a comment or reaches out to you in your DM, you can just redirect them and say, "Hey, click the link in my bio and I'll reach out to you." So if you tend or if you are lucky enough to be able to gather, let's say, 500 to 1,000 people on TikTok, and you are able to what segment them out from your TikTok account into, let's say, one centralized space into your Excel sheet or into your Impala Flow account. All what you have to do next is you send them bulk SMS. You send them bulk SMS and you tell them, "Hey, this is the link to the product, this is the link to the services. Click on it and place your order, or I have one-on-one time on Friday. Are you available?" And all those that will answer to the XMS campaign or into the text message, you can gradually take your time and convert them into customers. What do you think? Comment below and let me know if you have any questions about this process. And if you know any business owner that will benefit from this, just share it to them. Don't be stingy or don't gatekeep.
So guys, if you love education videos like this, make sure to follow this account for more videos.